back to another unboxing video. So this one is for an EOS Mystery Box that they did for Valentine's Day. I think this is the first time they've ever done a mystery box. Correct me if I'm wrong. They didn't give any hints as to what's in it. So I don't know if we're getting exclusives. I don't know if it's just the usual shit. I don't know. For 25 bucks, I'm not holding my breath that there's exclusives in here. I feel like it would cost more if there's exclusives, so. Oh, let's find out. Come on, open up. Open up. Open sesame in it. Okay, so inside of it also has the label. It's actually a very sturdily constructed box. I'm probably going to keep this after because that's like a nice little box. So first thing in here is an EOS More Merlot Tinted Shade Lip Balm. Now, I'm pretty sure this has been around for a few years. Yes? No? I have to check the website, but I'm pretty sure this was part of that tinted collection. So, I don't think that's new. We have got a duo of Strawberry Sorbet. The Smooth Stick and the Spear. Definitely not new, but okay, I guess it's cool to have more of it. The Shea Better Pink Citrus Hand Cream. Definitely not new. Literally just finished a tube of that. Guess I've got more! Oh my god. Alright. So, we have some UV 400 protection sunglasses that honestly feel like they were bought from a dollar store. But UV 400, I mean, that's something. That's usable. Let's take them out. Oh yeah, that is like very, very cheap. Holy crap. Like, I think dollar store ones are made better than that. But let's try them on. I mean, they're still cute. Still cute. Alright. I mean, they may be cheap as shit sunglasses, but they're wearable. They're wearable. Alright. Whatever. I love me some sunglasses, so I'm not even mad. Not even mad. At least it's something new. We have got, is this a compact? I bet it's a compact. God, this literally feels like a, yeah. It's a compact mirror, and literally nothing else to it. Thinnest thin plastic here. This literally feels like things I owned as an actual toddler. Like, Broheem, all you did was slap this logo on it. Really, right now? Really? Yes, really, just... Okay. We have Wildberry. Not new. But I do like Wildberry, so I'm, again, not mad, but I was really hoping for at least one exclusive lip balm here. The 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion in Jasmine Peach. Well, okay, I'm noticing we have a pink theme going here. But, I mean, it's gotta be one of these. I am glad it's the Jasmine Peach one. I do love that, so alright. Not mad. Just was really hoping for something new. What's this? Is it a giant EOS? No. It's a stress ball. Yeah. Literally, like, not even that great of a stress ball. It's like one, again, you'd find at the dollar store. I really thought this was gonna be like some giant EOS looking thing, and that, nope, it's a stress ball. And that's what was in the mystery box for $25. Pretty sure if I added up the prices, let me think. So like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. It probably comes out to about the exact value. Like, you're not really saving anything, I don't think. I think it comes to about the exact value of the products. Which is fair. It's fair. I can't say I got ripped off. It is fair, given the values. But the other stuff, the exclusives, I'm like, really right now? EOS. We need to have a chat. Do better. Like, dude. I know they probably weren't expecting many of these to sell, but like, they could have, like, had a really kick-ass collection here. They really could have, easily. It wouldn't have probably even cost them that much. They could have charged more for the boxes, and if it were, like, really cool shit in them, like when Burt's Bees does the little mystery boxes, there would probably be a lot more buzz for these on future mystery box releases. But being as this is the first one from EOS, and it was kind of a fail, don't think a lot of people are going to clamor for these in the future. Now, we know me, because this is what I do here on this channel, I will probably continue to buy them, but in general, I don't think they're going to be like the highly sought after hot items like the Burt's Bees ones are, because those sell out like in a matter of minutes whenever they go up, every time. That's why I've never managed to get one, so every time I try, they're always sold out, but yeah, this one, bit of a letdown, not gonna lie, but I feel like it's telling that the box may be, like, the highest quality out of the exclusive items here. Are they counting the box as one of the items? I don't even know. I'm just having fun playing with the ball, though. I'm literally not even mad about that ball. Like, I am playing with that ball. Anyway. That is it for this one, my dudes. So, now you know if they're still selling this. You probably don't really need to buy it. You already have the stuff. If you buy every release, you definitely already have the stuff. So, anyways, that is it for this one. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.